Okay, hi. Vivek. What's so special about that name?
So it means intelligence. Actually, the word in Vivek means in Hindi literature intelligence. That means wisdom also.
What is difference between intelligence and wisdom?
Is wisdom is it's a philosophical term that by intelligence you can do something very quickly or you can get out of the thing very easily at an easy place. But wisdom is that you learn phenomenally and someone who has a religious person who had not very technically sound or all that, but he has a wisdom war never bring goodness, anything like that which has philosophically sound. I think that's a wisdom. That's what it's worth.
So, do you think young people can be having wisdom?
uh, yes, why
So,
not?
why do they say the older you are, the more wisdom you have?
It's not like that. They think that things get refined as day passes every day. We learn something more. We learn something more. Even the most like Einstein, everyone say that they every day learn something more. And they say that when Einstein was asked about do you believe in God, he said yes, of course I believe in
Who?
God.
Pardon the name?
Huh?
Which personality are you quoting?
Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein. But Einstein had a very poor career
Yes, sir.
initially.
Yes, sir.
What was his job initially when he switched to research?
Uh, Sir, as far as I know, it took him about 3 to 4 years before he first started speaking, and then he's.
What was the thing he got Nobel Prize for?
Sir, he got Nobel Prize for the electromagnetic nature of light in 19.
Electromagnetic, but he never associated himself with electromagnetic nature. It was de Broglie who came up with the dual nature.
So you are telling about me the de Broglie equation, which is said that wave and the particle
Yeah,
have wave
but
relation.
Einstein was never related with the electromagnetic wave nature.
No, sir, he has got in 1905.
So you
He has,
may have been somewhere wrong.
uh,
No problem.
okay, sir. Sorry.
Tell me something about yourself.
So, as you know, my name is Vivek Patel. I am from Allahabad. I did my 10th and 12th from BHS, one of the finest school in Allahabad. I did my graduation from Krishna Indian College, Ghaziabad. And after that, I have got a place in a three company in College Campus Placement in CNC Limited, Bharatbhusha and R System. And I have given that exam. There I scored
What was your branch again?
Computer Science and Engineering.
Computer science and engineering. Okay, tell me just a simple question.
Yes, sir.
What are the different subjects of CAT you have studied?
So CAT. So first of all, I must say that I haven't given the CAT exam.
Okay.
I haven't taken up the ZAT exam, but there are quant and English in English, which is verbal ability, and previously there was a logical.
How does data interpretation help a manager?
It helps a lot. It helps a lot because seeing the previous trends and the most popular trends, getting the feedback, one can take a better decision. For example, if the population is very young, so there is so suppose someone is making shoes, and the Indian population is very young. He will see the data and seeing that population is young, he will and most of them are below 20. He will prefer to make shoes which are for younger people and not the grown-ups because we have very young population. Like that, taking decision will help.
This kind of decision making is done by manager.
Yes, sir.
Who is exactly a manager?
So manager is a person who manages the thing, decides, take the initiative, have a vision about the objective which you have.
Sweeper a manager.
Yes, sir.
Sweeper is a manager.
I don't think he manages his work which has been told about him.
Is he a manager or not?
Mm, in a certain way, he can be if he manages his work well, but he has a very what you can say, very short or small objective.
Small objective.
Yes.
So a person with a smaller objective is not a manager as compared to someone who has
No,
a
sir.
bigger-
Everyone who manages a thing is a manager. My mother is also manager. She manages my house
Okay.
also. But the thing is that if we take it in a broader concept or a general perception, is that manager is a manager who has some vision or objectives in that.
Do you believe female form as better CEOs of the companies in comparison to men?
I don't think that male or females are a better person. If we have got more males because we have done male-dominated society before. We have got more males studying. Now we are getting females who are going for further studies and higher studies, and we are getting more managers from there. It is not based on gender. I think that The thing is that the trend was previously that more males were dominating it, but now females are.
Any 5 CEOs you can quote?
Uh, Indra Nui, Mrs. Indra Nui of PepsiCo,
Okay.
coach ICCI Bank coach. So Mrs. Kocher, I recall that name.
Chanda Kocher.
Chanda Kocher.
Okay.
And Chanda Kocher. Sir, only female or male also?
Any.
Mr. Mukesh Ambani.
Okay.
Of Reliance Industry.
Reliance Industries, but Reliance Industries is several. Can you name companies of Anil Ambani?
Reliance Petrochemical.
But that's for Mukesh Ambani.
Yes, sir. It's a
I'm asking about Anil Ambani.
Anil Ambani, Reliance Communication.
Reliance Communications. Okay.
Reliance Communication.
BSES. You have heard of it?
BSES, Bombay Stock Exchange.
BSES. Where does that S fit in? Brihan Suburban Electrical Supply.
Sorry, sir, I didn't have any.
Okay. You're a computer science engineer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just tell me what's the difference between a virus
Yes,
and a worm.
Sir, I have forgot that, but I have. Sorry, sir, I forgot the difference.
Okay.
I'm not brush up with my technical.
What kind of subjects do you study in computer science?
Sir, we have 46 subjects during my.
Which is your area of specialization?
Sir, operating system. I like that.
Any 5 operating, not 5, let's say 3 operating systems of Apple.
Macintosh.
Macintosh, okay.
And Eliza.
Eliza.
Eliza, it was a Steve Jobs' daughter named after
Okay,
that. His
go on.
name is Eliza. And I didn't recall operating system. So sir, I'm not meaning that.
That's your area of specialization.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just tell me, there was a famous virus Y2K.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me something about it?
Yes, sir. The problem was that we used to write like a date pattern. Indian don't have any the date format.
Indians or all over the world?
No, sir. British have their own format, and we have a somewhat format which we don't use in there. So we use like first date, month, then year, and in some cases first month, date, and year. But we use only 2 initials, like last 2 digits.
Okay.
And the thing is that we have got 98, 1999, and 2000. The problem was that before 99 it was fine because we were writing that it was going in increasing trend. But after 99, the last 2 digits were 00. It means we are going in reverse. If some company is going to giving you interest or taking some money from you and giving you interest, or you have taken loan from them, it is stating that from 98 to 99 he has taken loan from you and you are paying. But next day when computer was not accommodated for 2000, the thing will that it will come 0. It means for rest of the 98 years you will be the bank will be the person who has taken the loan from that person. It means that the thing will reverse. And after that technical problem was solved in 2000, yes sir, after the new version was come, the 2 initial digits were removed from final digit, but it was still shown like 2 digits, but the problem was solved.
Which do you think is one of the greatest, like, okay, you have used YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're a fan?
No sir, actually I'm more indulgent in this, sports and all that activities, but I do use YouTube.
Who's the founder?
Sir, it was from some Jakarta Foundation, and I didn't write his name, so.
There were 3 founders. You used Google.
Yes, sir.
Who are the founders to that?
Jim Cook, Mr. Jim Cook.
Jim Cook. Are you sure?
No, sir. He's the Apple current CEO. Yes, and so I didn't.
But you have to be aware as a manager, don't you think?
Yes, sir.
It's something you have been working on for your life.
Yes, sir.
So how do you justify that you will be a good manager?
So actually, I will say
because
that
you're not aware of anything, even your area of specialization.
Sir, I do like that because after the graduation, and I will be honest to you, I was waiting for the joining and it delayed. And in that meantime, I had a happy vacation, and I did all the things which I wanted to do during graduation, like I quit gymnastics and all because of injury, and games and all that gym. I have started again, and wasting my time, if you say, and I should be focusing on that. I didn't prepare. I must say that I will.
Recently, a summit of international was held on cybercrime. You name the place where it was.
Um, so I didn't.
Okay, no problem. Moving on. Now you're a computer science engineer. You come for MBA,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Why the transition?
So it was not one day decision. I have decided in class 10th only that I will do MBA and after my graduation. But every day it has become more from and from, and right now I am sure that I have to do MBA. The thing is that uh, it will broaden my perspective, and the thing is that I can do more things, and I can explore myself more, and my skills will be far better, so that I can not only earn more, I can learn more.
You start
And
for 3 jobs,
yes, sir.
and you'll not be joining any one of them.
No, sir.
So you may have taken space of several other people who are looking for jobs, and in this world where jobs are so less,
Sir,
don't you think you are doing something wrong?
sir, if you take it that way, I won't say that will be correct, because it's a competition. If I won't have said that, someone else has said that. And the thing is that it is not only about results. I have given the government job exam also, and I have cleared that. The thing is that it was to prove myself. Like my academics was not good. I have 70% in graduation, and it is not considered good when you take about them. So I have given the GATE exam. The point was not to
What is the full form of GATE?
graduate aptitude, graduate aptitude technical test, graduate aptitude. I'm nervous.
Okay, no problem. Now,
Examination.
talking about your hobbies,
Yes, sir.
please tell me.
Sir, I write poetry and
Write 3 lines.
uh, 3 lines.
Yeah.
मैं बोलूं तो रूठ जाती है, कोई और कहे तो मुस्कुराती है, पल में सब कुछ जान लेती है.
This is something you have already written,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have.
Talk about, okay, you're a computer science engineer.
Yes, sir.
Write about computers. 3 lines.
दिन भर बैठा था मैं बोर, दिन भर बैठा था मैं बोर, आखिर आया मैं उसके पास, झट से खोला मैंने उसको, बटन दबाकर यूं ही इस बार, खोला गूगल और जीमेल, करने लगा फेसबुक पर चैट, बनाए मैंने दोस्त कई नए, और दिन पास हो गया बैठे बैठे. So I might not be articulated.
No problem, no
that,
problem.
That's
Okay. What else do you do other than poetry?
Sir, I write diaries every day, and I've been gymnastics for near about 8 years. I have won one national medal, gold medal, and won 3 state level medals, and I have been captain for.
What do you think is lack of gymnastic facilities in India, and we cannot represent ourselves in maybe great events like Olympics? We have never seen an Indian gymnast perform.
First of all, there is a more orientation towards cricket. The people here that we want World Cup in cricket.
If I make you the sports minister
Yes, sir.
for a year,
Yes, sir.
what changes would you bring out?
First of all, I will encourage a person by giving them more rewards, giving them more facilities.
That's already provided.
No, sir. It's the thing is that the awards are given and the monies are provided after they won, not before the events.
But automatically, that's something very wrong of a managerial system. Because if you already give someone something,
Yes, sir.
the attraction to achieve something will be lost. So ultimately, they will be deviated from the goal. Now, just let me complete. So ultimately, if you have a target in mind, getting something as an achievement, as being performing distinguished in a field, makes you perform better for that. But if you already have all the resources, why would you perform?
The thing is that, sir, what I have quoted you, I think you misunderstood. I was saying that I will provide facilities, and at the end I will be saying that if you deliver, you will be given award, not before delivery of performance.
Okay.
It means that facility will be there, West we have population of 1.2 billion. That's an enormous, a gigantic population. We don't have a lack of talent. People there walk miles a day. So why can't they run that much? The thing is that they don't have facility. They don't have encouragement from there. My father is still, I have heard saying, पढ़ेगा लिखेगा बनेगा, नवाब खेले कूदे बनेगा. That mentality has to change. The thing is that like cricket in IPL, the people are now saying that their children can take up the cricket as their career. Why people are shifting toward MBA and professional career? Because they are seeing that a better career can be obtained. So if we take it as a professional, like say that if profession like kusti, gymnastics can be more attractive, more knowledgeable, more knowledge can be imparted about the people, that not only cricket, other games also pay money. The main thing is that if you have money, that's the driving force. The motivation is there, but an organization can stand on motivation, but it runs on money. The thing is that if I think that if we provide better facility, and at the end if person performs, he get the money, he will be doing that.
So you are into sports, okay. Tell me, how many gold medals did India win this Olympics?
Sir, four. One gold medal. One gold. No, sir, no gold medal. One silver was there, and Saina Nehwal has won
One silver.
one silver for I was saying one silver for kusti.
How many medals India had won this time?
So four or five, I think.
Okay. Can you name the people who won?
Saina Nehwal,
Okay.
Yogeshwar Dutt,
Okay.
Gagan Narang,
Okay.
and Sushil Kumar,
Okay.
and so one more name is there, and I am forgetting that.
Okay. No problem. Moving on. What is your career goal?
Uh, First of all, sir, I have in my vision is to do MBA, get a decent job, and to earn some money. And I want to set up an institute for in a rural area, and I want to teach.
What
people.
are the current land rates where you want to set up this institute?
First of all, sir, if you are taking in my home city, the rates are near about.
What is your home city?
So Allahabad.
Allahabad, okay.
So in Allahabad, there is a classification of our lands. Like in civil lines, whatever they ask, you have to pay. Sorry.
Whatever they ask.
It means the means is that a 3 BHK flat is around 1 crore 15 lakh. That's too much to be asked. That's why I said that whatever they ask, you have to pay. But if you move from civil lines and towards the rural area, the prices are 8,000 square feet, and it gradually goes away. So I have decided if from near about 20 kilometers, if I set an institute, it will be not an institute just for higher education. The thing is that we have got very basic education is lacking. If a person is taught very well from beginning, he can be good at anything.
What is the historical importance of Allahabad?
Sir, many sir. First of all, the Kumbh you have heard. There is a saying that when was Amrit Plus was going on, a drop of that fell there, and it has become a Tirth Sthal, Tirth Sthal. And not only there, it is also called Prime Minister's city, because we have got Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi. They were born in Allahabad only.
You may be aware of the famous Nehru report.
So, can you hint? I think.
Nehru report. It was during the Swaraj, when India demanded Purna Swaraj. Just before that, this Nehru report came.
It came in 1928 around.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir, I didn't know.
At which other places in India Kumbh is held?
Sir, in Nasik and Haridwar and Nasik, Nagpur, I think sir, Nagpur. 4 places are there.
Which is the fourth?
Nasik, Allahabad, Nasik, Prayag, Haridwar.
Fourth is Ujjain.
Ujjain, yes, sir.
Okay.
On the bank of which river Nasik is situated?
Tapti river, if I'm not wrong.
All the rivers in India, in the southern part,
Yes, sir.
they flow from east to west or west to east.
So it's not like that.
Not that. There is only one river which breaks the pattern.
Mahanadi, so I think Mahanadi would be that.
Which river is the sorrow of Bengal?
Sir, it's a subsidiary of Ganga, and its name it's very famous, and I didn't recall that.
Okay, tell me, Ganga,
Yes.
a famous river.
Yes.
Another big river,
So Yamuna, Brahmaputra.
Brahmaputra. Where does it emerge from?
Sir, it was in Tibet, and it's
From?
In China.
From which lake?
I didn't recall.
Okay, if you're flying, you're in Allahabad.
Yes, sir.
You have to fly to United States.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Maybe you will start from New Delhi and anywhere, Mumbai maybe.
Yes.
How many water bodies will you cross?
Sir, first of all, I will cross Arabian Sea,
Okay.
and if I take through over Africa, like I land in Cairo, then Mediterranean Sea. From there, I will go to Frankfurt or somewhere, and then
Frankfurt.
for changing, because
Okay.
they change there, and then there's Pacific Ocean.
Where is Frankfurt?
Uh,
Where is Frankfurt?
so Germany.
Okay.
Pacific Ocean, and after that.
Pacific Ocean.
From Germany to Pacific.
No, sir. That thing is that I will cross, like English Channel. After English Channel, they have got Pacific Ocean.
Who was the fastest Indian to cross? Okay, the Indian to cross the English Channel.
So I didn't recall.
Don't recall. Okay. Coming on, so you come for MBA.
Yes, sir.
What are your weaknesses which you think will be hindrance in your path of MBA?
So first of all, I am a very fun-loving person.
Okay.
That means actually I am the only son of my parents, and I always like to enjoy things, and I am not too serious about anything, but I do things precisely. I think that will be the to people they think that he is not a very serious kind of person. That's I think will be the main reason what I have.
If you are not serious in anything,
So that's the first impression I put on people.
but generally, isn't the first impression the last impression?
No, I don't.
Don't think so.
Yes, sir.
That is the managerial law actually.
Uh,
Okay, who is the father of economics?
yes, sir.
Father of economics.
I don't know.
You're not aware.
No, sir.
Okay, tell me. Okay, just simple question. You come for MBA.
Yes.
Tell me, if you're not selected for this interview, what do you believe will be
Yes,
the?
sir.
If you're not selected for this interview,
Yes, sir.
what do you believe will be the primary aspect of your what, lack, where you miss this interview?
First of all, I should have brushed up more on my subjects, and I should be more aware, like reading a newspaper and all that, so that the things you have asked.
Do you read newspaper?
Yeah, I do.
Which newspaper do you read?
The Hindu.
Who is right now the HRD minister?
HRD Minister Kapil Sibal.
Kapil Sibal.
He is smart job. Who is right now the law minister of India?
Salman Khurshid was there, and so he is not moved to foreign ministry, and earlier, last time I read it was Salman Khurshid, and now he is
You read 1 month before.
Yes, sir.
You read newspaper 1 month before. Which newspaper you read?
So the Hindu.
Which group is publishing?
I didn't know.
Since when it is the publication?
So it's 1876. It's very old.
Which is the oldest newspaper?
Times of India.
Times of India.
Punjab Kesari.
Punjab Kesari. And who started it?
Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Sir Bal Gangadhar.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes.
Who was called Punjab Kesari?
I do not know this.
Okay, one last question for you. Okay, if you are not doing MBA,
Yes.
what you would be doing?
So, I will be preparing for IAS, Administrative Services.
Okay, thank you.